All right, we are back with more Factorio. Here we go. I am Pax, and we are continuing the playthrough of SpaceX. And yeah, so the thought is, for one, I want to somehow get these automated, these logistic train stops, so that way we can maybe start using the logistics train system. And so I think what I can do is maybe make a little bit of room in the labs by just kind of moving it all up like this. And then I would, yeah, kind of redirect them to here, right? Yeah. Right. But then, yeah, so then I've been letting the base train network build, and so we've got tracks like coming all the way out here. I'm a little bit worried that the grid still is like too big, and sometimes the bots I mean, it seems like they're at least not getting stuck in loops, but yeah, a lot of times they get stuck going very slowly when they run out of batteries, so that can be a little bit annoying, but it's not too bad. And yes, so then I think once we try to get this automated, what I want to do is basically just I mean, we're kind of like running low on the resources, especially, and what's worrisome is running out of coal. And so yeah, so I think what I'm thinking is trying to get some more train stations sort of feeding the base and sort of build a little bit more of a, real train, just some trains. I mean, they're going to just still be these like small trains, but maybe just like have enough for coal and stone and iron and copper to kind of bring in to keep the base alive when these resources run out. Because yeah, we're just like getting close to running out of resources. So, and so here the idea was, yeah, Jen, just to move this up, and yeah, and mostly, yeah, I've been doing a lot of this, what's going on? Why is it this? Yeah, what's it called? Quality of life research. Yes. So now my inventory is getting a little bit bigger and the speed is getting a little faster. So that's nice. Okay, so the issue is just this this logistic trains network stop is a silly build. I mean, it takes like a lot of silly things. I mean, it's not silly, I guess. It makes a lot of sense, but I think, yeah, so it needs both kinds of circuits, lamps, stations, combinators, and they're all kind of right here, which is nice. So I was trying to think about how to get them organized, and I think one first step is to just move train stops to over here and move chain signals to over here, and I think you don't need that. And okay, but then let's maybe do some get rid of some of this stuff. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then this part is going to be very tricky, but I think I'm going to have to start with getting rid of this. And yes, because we have to worry about these as well. And I think the main idea, we might get rid of these power poles too, just to also make sure we have plenty of room. Okay, so like this has to continue. So there has to be this, and then this also needs something somewhere. So there has to probably be this too. Yeah. All right, and then we can grab you here, you here, and then maybe this one. This is good. And then, yeah, okay, we can do this. So that'll give us a little bit of room. And then maybe a power pole right here. I think here could work. Or, let's see, what about on this side? Oh, on this side's good too. Except, okay, so you do only need the cables. You don't need circuits. Oh, okay. Okay, so you can then, yeah, so right here is fine, I think, for a power pole, yes. And you do need the sticks, so here's good. And you have the other things from there. Oh, you need also the, so yeah, you need this as well. Okay, and then I think, so yeah, so then what we can do is get this out by, we're gonna get these on just a belt, yeah. And so I think, yeah, we can go even, let's see, we need to go like this. And then, yeah, we can just go like this. Nice. Okay, so then that's how we'll at least get, yeah, stations and lamps, and now red circuits and green wires, are right here as well, and then combinators right here. So then I think we can just bring them all three over now. So that was the biggest challenge, is just figuring out a way to get the lamps and the stations kind of on this belt. And then, so let's just kind of do this. I have one of these here. Yeah, so you need that back. Just one of these, maybe two of these. And then I think these are all working still. Yeah, we got chain signals working. Great. Okay, so that is that. Okay, and then, okay, now we want to organize these, the red and green wires, onto a lane. So I think what we can do is, yeah, like this, yes. And we'll just upgrade these. Okay, and then it looks like we can just go straight through. Great, and yeah, and then the last thing we need is this, and so we'll just kind of bring it around like that. Yeah, we don't need that. Cool. Okay. Yeah, great. So then, and then we'll just build the logistics trains. Like this. Yeah, logistic train stops. Yes. Cool. Nice. There we go. We got them. Logistics train network stops. Automated. Wow. I wasn't sure it was going to be possible, but that's actually pretty clean. Yeah, it's not too bad. And everything looks like it's working still, and we still got our normal train stuff, so looking pretty good. All right. Yeah, there's so much stuff now, like it's almost completely dead. And yeah, we're gonna want to try to get, you know, we're getting close and running out of resources in general. So yeah, I want to try to build more trains or more train stations in the main base. And I think one thing was, yeah, I do want to try to get this stuff done with. So I'm gonna try to just maybe, yeah, just buffer this one too. Just like get rid of the last bit of coal here, since it's not going into the power anyway. And I kind of want to like be able to keep like a lot of the infrastructure. I know this base is like completely dead, right? But I just, yeah, like having it here as a legacy. Right, okay, we're running in the dark, but I think, okay, so then the idea here was maybe to build, let's see. Let's see. Yes, build, like, yeah, we want to build maybe this. Let's do this too. But yeah, we don't really want any of this part of it. So let's get rid of all this. Right, and then so eventually, yeah, we'll just have like a station here that'll be like for coal. So some train station will come in for coal right here. So let's kind of get that idea going. Let's see how close. Probably do it like this even. This. That seems viable. It's viable. I think that's viable. Okay. And then let's make sure it's not called friend request. Right, and then yeah, so then the idea will be that we'll just use this train station to yeah, something like that. It's fine. Yeah. So I'm just reconfiguring the entrance a little bit. Okay, and then also I'll get the bots to maybe continue building north. I think I'm gonna try actually for this part. I think this will be where I build kind of the next version of the logistics hub. I'm hoping that I can just maybe push the bus kind of across the tracks and then like just feed it into the cars on belts but then I'm also like I'm hoping that I want to try out just to see if it's flexible enough to make sure that yeah, you can build the hexagonal pattern effectively, like, you know, as large as you want to. It is part of the goal with hopefully the trains blueprints. And so then I would also like it to be set, like at least potentially, I think it can be even this small as well. So like I'm gonna try to have the hexagonal pattern just kind of go in these like much, you know, only what is this, like 3 tiles. Yeah, right. So this one's like 5 tiles in between. The cars on belt space was, you know, only 4, and then I'm gonna try to make part of the grid only 3. And I think it's like kind of just good if I can make sure that you know, yeah, like effectively all of the, I mean, just yeah, the blueprint's, you know, solid, and that it can handle it can be as flexible as possible, right? Okay, so this already happened. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so then the idea will be then, you know, trains will come in. Yeah, I didn't mean to do these. And trains will go out. Yes, I think that's plenty of space, right? Yeah. Okay, so then this part will be blocked off come from both directions like this. Right, and then yeah, you'll need a chain signal out. You'll need a chain signal in. You'll need a chain signal. You'll need a chain signal, yes. And you, yes. Wait, no. Here, and here, yes. Okay, yeah, I think that's what the junction should look like. So this way, so you'll wait here until, basically, actually right here is fine. We'll do it here just because, I don't know, just in case I want to add more, I guess. I don't know, it's fine. Do something like that, yeah. Or, yeah, you can still go, you can go here. Right, or no, doesn't matter, it's fine, yeah. Okay, so then, right, so then the train can go both ways. Right, and then, yeah, so then we'll just have this entrance track continue. Don't get run over, please. Yeah, the base is like really humming along. I just been burning through these quality of life researches. Here, didn't finish this. And yeah, just thinking a lot about trying to think about essentially, yeah, just what I'm gonna do in the next phase. Well, hopefully, okay, I gotta get this online then. And yeah, just kind of cleaning stuff up, I guess. What else did I do? I don't know. I'm not sure. I might have added more oil production. I think, oh yeah, I should get, I was gonna get those online too, right? Yeah, and then just letting the bots build. Yeah, I think we covered, yeah, getting this resources. Getting close to getting stuff available down there. Okay, great. Yeah, things are going good. All right, let's just, I mean, see, my companion drones also just, they're not really like doing what they should be doing, right? Because they just conflict with the, you know, the construction, the house construction robots, right? And so now they're like, you know, they're not acting very well in terms of being, you know, useful. Ah, well, there you go. Whoa, what? Wait, what? Why did you get no path? I don't understand. Why did you go into the request? I don't know what happened. Maybe there was a signal missing? I don't know. I'm not sure what happened there. Okay, that looks better. Right. Wait, what? Cool. Okay, we're almost done. Alright, see, they kind of did it, then they stopped. Okay, that's fine. Alright, building, that's great. Now, the question is, where do we get the coal from? So, this is this coal station now. The iron station is fine, it seems. Okay, good. Yeah, we now have kind of more standard entrance. So then let's look at, I mean, I guess we could just go get this coal. I think that's the only option, really. Try to go get this one. That is a better one, but it's a little bit further away. Yeah, I think then let's just go. Yeah. I'm gonna try to just do a little hacky thing, and we're going to go get yeah, I guess we can just do this. Let's just try this. It's going to be pretty hacky, but it's fine. Oh gosh, this might push our pollution out too far too, though. Shoot. What about up here, though? Oh, this is actually further along than I thought it would be. Okay, actually. Still going backwards. This is a problem. All right, yeah, let's try to make it up here. How far can we go? No, go like here, please. Here. It does look like, yeah, the iron train is running fine, right? Yes. Very good. Very good iron train. Yeah, almost done here. Wait, low power? Is this not? Wait, are these not connected? All right, close enough. Bonk. All right, so then the idea here will just be to, yeah, let's just grab this and, all right, we're gonna have to maybe, yeah, let's maybe not do this then. And we can get rid of this too. I think then, yeah, so then let's try to squeeze some miners in here. Trying to think about how to do this. Because this will have to go like this. I think we'll have to do this probably. Let's see. Does this go for enough? Yeah. Okay, like that, and then like that will work, right? Or yeah. What about? Yeah, that's fine. Right? Yeah. Okay, and then so this will be the kind of base idea. For just, this is like, yeah, just trying to get this mine, but I want the train tracks. I don't want to, like, not have them. And we will give up some amount of coal in the middle, but I'm okay with that. Just like this. I don't know what's wrong, but it's fine. This. Oh, is this not either? Okay, oh yeah. Okay, seems good. All right, and then, so we have this. I guess we'll do this again. Great. How did that happen? That was so weird. Like, picked it up automatically. Yeah, I mean, just continue then with the undergrounds. The new era of mines, where we all use undergrounds. Okay. All right, we're almost there. Mine, so funny. So fun. Oh wait, I was gonna use underground, right? There you go. All right, so what's that? That's 4 lanes. Looks like 4 lanes to me. Okay, what I'll do, I think, though, is I'm gonna just pull the train just like that, yeah, and just have it. Actually, I don't need this. Let's do the straight one. Yeah. Do the straight one. then just go like this. Let's see. That's fine. And then I think, yeah, just from here, go like this. Yes. Okay, then what we'll do too is copy this. Up there. Seems pretty good. Okay. There. Great. And then we don't have to like even worry about. Oh wait, there's more coal out here. Oh yeah, here. I see. See. I guess I do want to do the balancer. Balancer? Is that what this is? Kind of, more or less. Okay, this is starting to seem good. Yeah, I can just do this then too. Yes, okay, great. And then just go like that, it's fine. Yeah, I can just go like this too. Looks like it. Ah. Fortunately the loaders are part of the faster place, so if you put a belt on top of them, they just get deleted. Oops. Already coal coming. Okay, this base, yeah, this base, yeah, that base cannot stand. They're not going to be happy here in a second. But then I think we're actually almost there. I mean, we need to fuel the train, I guess, somehow. That's going to be a thing. And maybe like this. Ooh, just barely. But let's just, I think we can just build it right here. Okay, and then what we want over here is to have one of these. It's fine. Just go like this, I guess. I know this should make this a chain signal somehow. Oops. Okay. Yes, we're way over time here. Okay, well then, but then this is, yeah, this is something. This is getting there. They like just got there. Man, it's almost like, yeah. Okay, and then, yeah, so, well, we'll have to take that base out sometime later, but then you're gonna do the let's see, you're gonna go from, wait, did I not? Oh gosh, rename. Cola provider? Yes. Okay, so coal provide, full, or, yeah, that's fine. Coal request. Empty? Why can't you go? Why can't you get the pull request? No path? Oh. I guess this was from, wait. Oh yeah, that would do it, yeah. I think that was just from, there's probably landfill there, I guess. Bonk. Oh, I don't have any train tracks on me, shoot. Let's see, you don't need these. There you go. Go. Nice. Alright, cool. Okay, well, I think, though, this will pretty much get us to the next break. Yes, we'll immediately have to go deal with this base. I will just go deal with this base in a second with my tank here. Unloading coal, empty cargo. Cool, we got it set up. We'll just feed it into there. And we got now coal coming into the base. And yeah, we're looking good, pretty again. Looks like the stone's doing pretty well. I think let's just do one of these. I don't know why it's so biased to one side. Nice. We're back out here. Cool. Alright, well, there you go, Factorio. I'm Pax. And yeah, so that'll do it for this session. Got our coal train online, and we'll now try to continue to just expand the rail network, and I'm going to think about how to build the logistics hub a bit more, but we'll also need to maybe consider getting the other resources onto this like sort of mini train network and make sure that the base can sustain. But yeah, but that'll call it for this session. There you go, Factorio. See you next time.